Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I want to talk about the iPhone 11. What could be a hidden feature that Apple did not mention when announcing the brand new iPhone 11, 11 Pro, or 11 Pro Max. Now the feature that I want to talk about is called bilateral or reverse wireless charging. This feature will allow you to wirelessly charge any other Qi compatible wireless charging device, like maybe a pair of AirPods or maybe another phone. Let's say for example another iPhone. You can charge it by simply placing it on the back of your phone, and just like that it would share your charge with the other device. Now there's been a few teardowns. There's some information out there that indicates that this could be a feature that Apple could be bringing to the iPhone 11 with future software updates, and I wanted to share my thoughts and why I believe this could be a possibility and this could be a feature coming to the iPhone with a software updates. Now there's also some downsides that show that this may not even happen at all, but it is worth a mention. The first thing I want to talk about is the choice of design for the new iPhone 11. It is very interesting to see the Apple logo placed right on the center of the back of the iPhone. Could this be an indicator that this is where the bilateral or reverse wireless charging mechanism will be applied by simply placing the device, and maybe this is an indicator that that's where you need to place your iPhone? That could be a thing, because if we take a look at previous iPhones, take a look at the Apple logo. It is towards the top of the device, not towards the center like on the brand new iPhone 11, and this translates over to the iPhone 11 Pro as well. And it also translates over to the iPhone 11, the base model device as well. So right in the center, we see the Apple logo. Is this a design choice? Is this something that Apple did on purpose? Or is this an indicator that bilateral wireless charging could be coming, and this is the actual indicator that that's where you'll be placing your devices to wirelessly charge? That could be a possibility, or it could just simply be a design choice. Now, iFixit also tear down the brand new iPhone 11, and they found two cables that connect from the battery of the iPhone to the motherboard. Now, in previous generation iPhones, there's only one cable, and that's the power supply cable, and that powers the iPhone using the battery's power, of course. Now, we have two on the iPhone 11. The second cable, no one really knows what it is for. Now, could it be a backup? Could it be a ground? Could it be something else? Who knows? No one really can tell exactly what the second cable is. What we do know is that when iFixit did tear down the iPhone and remove one of the cables, the iPhone powered off and would not power back on. Now, with both cables connected, it did power back on, and one of the cables could be disconnected and the iPhone would still function. So there's one cable that is a mystery cable inside of the iPhone 11. Now, another thing to note is that we don't see any additional cooling mechanisms in the iPhone 11. So this was just my thoughts on the possibilities of reverse wireless charging and why I believe this could be a possibility in the future. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.